Hello everyone. If cos inverse root p plus cos inverse root of 1 minus p plus cos inverse root of 1 minus q is equal to 3 pi by 4, then the value of q is. So this is our 30th question. Let us solve. Cos inverse root p anna alpha anta tagondre or any angle. So cos alpha is equal to root p agate. Sin alpha ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus p ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇನ್ನು cos inverse 1 minus p ಅನ್ನ ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos beta is equal to root of 1 minus p. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ sin alpha ಮತ್ತೆ cos beta ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ sin alpha is equal to cos beta and alpha plus beta will be pi by 2 for alpha beta belongs to this interval correcta ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ so cos root p is nothing but alpha cos root of 1 minus p is beta plus cos inverse of root of 1 minus q is equal to 3 pi by 4. Sin alpha cos beta ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ p value will be equal to 1. So cos inverse of 1 is 0. Cos inverse of 0 is pi by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So alpha plus beta pi by 2 ಯಾಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So cos inverse root of 1 minus q will be 3 pi by 4. So cos inverse of root 1 minus q will be 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 2. Which is pi by 4. Cos inverse of root of 1 minus q ige pi by 4 ಆದ್ರೆ cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So square root of 1 minus q will be 1 by root 2. Squaring on both sides ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ 1 minus q will be equal to 1 by 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Which is q will be equal to half. So option B. Option B, half. Thank you.